Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Start dancing. Dance, dance, dance. Yeah, why not? Dance in your living room. Dance in your kitchen. Dance in the bathroom. Dance, dance, dance. Makes you happy. Put some music on. Make it a great day. But dance, dance, dance. Okay, you say you can't dance, that's okay. Dance in your head. Just dance, dance, dance. I'm telling you one thing, once you get moving, you're gonna feel better. Life will be a lot better than sitting around and watching TV or watching YouTube, which we want you to watch YouTube, and watching some sports or whatever. If it's a commercial that comes on, and if you do love watching TV, mind you, I do love watching it. Get up at that commercial break and dance, dance, dance. Think about your favorite song. Think about your favorite thing in life. Think about your favorite person. But dance, dance, dance. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Until tomorrow. I love you. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so.